In this video, I will show you how you can enable Gboard on any Oppo phone. Now, in all newer Oppo phones, Gboard is the default keyboard. But if you have an older Oppo phone, you might have Oppo's own keyboard as the default keyboard. Now, to change the default keyboard to Gboard, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now I already have Gboard installed on my Oppo phone, so instead I will install another keyboard just to show you the process. For example, I will download the Microsoft keyboard, then tap on install, then tap on open. Now after you download the keyboard, then just go to your home screen and open settings. Under settings, just search this. Then just tap on keyboard settings, and from here just tap on manage keyboards. Now as you can see, Gboard is already enabled on our Oppo phone, but if you have just downloaded Gboard, it will be turned off. So just enable the toggle for Gboard on your Oppo phone. I will enable the toggle for the keyboard which I have downloaded, then select activate. After you activate Gboard, then just go back and tap on current keyboard. Now instead of your Oppo's default keyboard, just select Gboard. Now I will select Microsoft keyboard just to show you the process. As you can see, if I open the keyboard on our Oppo phone, you will notice that we have changed the keyboard from the default keyboard to Gboard. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.